This is everything I ate at Fresh Elements restaurant in Pokhara. First up, we started off with the creamy mushroom soup, perfect for a cold night, 10 out of 10. Next, we had this dish. I don't remember the name, but it was basically cheese on a toasted bread. I can make it at home, so 5 out of 10. Next, we had this Chinese dish with pork and complemented it with some rice. This was bursting with flavors and I devoured it. 9 out of 10. Then we had our main dishes coming, grilled chicken breast. The meat was a little dry, but the sauce saved the dish. So 7 out of 10. Next up, we had a buff steak, and to be honest, I don't remember anything about this dish, but my reaction here says it's good. So 7 out of 10. You see how I keep reaching back to this Chinese dish with pork? That shows how good it is. Then we had this trout fish with some mashed potatoes on the side. The only thing I liked about this dish is the mashed potatoes. The fish had no flavor at all. 3 out of 10. You see, I keep going back to this pork dish to bless my taste buds. Last but not the least, we ended the night with some desserts, brownie with ice cream and double chocolatey cake. I loved the brownie with ice cream, but the double chocolatey cake was not really my taste. So yeah, I ended up eating all the brownie with ice cream. And as a result, I got sensitivity. Thank you. Good night.